Hey, good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. So yesterday was a holiday, Memorial Day. I peeked at the charts just a little bit because Trey was sending me some practice homework assignments where he's literally just seeing if he can get the steps right. Absolutely not trying to trade that crap. So he sent it to me, and I could tell you got little bitty candles and there's no volume, and it's holiday. So obviously you don't trade then. Today's no better. You can look at your high pivots, look at your low pivots. If you're trading to make money, obviously this is of zero interest to you. Strategy 6 is the exact same way. If you come down here and think, oh gosh, look at that great big trend, it looks good. No, it doesn't. By the time you get all your steps, it only hits 5 pips. That's half of what you're looking for. It's setting up again. Of course, that's a fake out too. So you got a fake out buy. I'm not saying you couldn't have hit 1 pip, but for me, a trend trade's got to move 10 pips. That's the money maker. It moved 5. I've already checked it. You can check it too if you know how. This was a bad fake out here. You got step 1, you got step 2, and immediately after step 2, it kicked you in the mouth and made a double bottom right here. So no buy, no sell. It's telling you to buy it again. Same thing. Don't do it. So no trades this morning. If you're just trying to make a target 1 and you were here at say 5:30 this morning, you might have got it. After that, it's kind of yucky. Everything else yucky. And this is where when you're new, you'll start here. Euro USD is the most heavily traded pair. It's going to have the most volume, and it's not as tricky. The worst pair you can trade is USD JPY. That would be the last one that I would let you trade. So here's how it works. When you first start off, you're honed into Euro USD until you can take 100 trades and win 70 out of 100. That's when you can say, hey, I'm ready to trade money now. Once you get Euro USD under control and learn it, then we'll go to USD CHF. Most of you will stay on Euro USD, USD CHF for years, and you can do that simply because you're going to get a lot of trades. In other words, more is less. The more stuff you're trying to look at, Euro USD, Australian dollar USD, British pound USD, USD Swiss franc, USD Canadian dollar, USD that's all influence or hype, trying to hype it up, okay? You can make a really good amount of money just on Euro USD if you know what you're doing, and USD CHF, because those are correlating pairs. Now, USD JPY is a correlating pair as well, but when you deal with the yen, you have to add another digit. Most people don't even know that. So unless I talk to you about a different pair, everybody should stay on Euro USD. If you stay on Euro USD and you can trade in your 2 to 4 hour blocks, that is as fast as you need to go. And again, I lay all of this out to you, spoon feeding it to you as you progress, right? The same thing as trying to teach a kid a bicycle. If he's got training wheels or she's got training wheels on and a helmet, and she starts riding it and she gets where she's good, you don't just arbitrarily take off the helmet and the training wheels and say, okay, now go jump ramps. That's what happens when you try to move away from these pairs. Again, it's lack of knowledge, lack of understanding. No one's ever showed you this. No one's ever taught you this. So you don't know it. I'm teaching it to you now. So no trades this morning. So far, I'll try to get you 1 or 2 over there in the training room. But remember, that's just to help the people that knows what's going on. Okay. They're not signals. It's not copy trade. I may or may not send any. It's irrelevant. Okay, it's irrelevant. All of the training is done privately. So I'll see if I can find something in the midst of all the meetings today. If I don't, that does not mean the trading's not good, right? Because you're at a different level. When I say you, each individual person is at their own individual level. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be here all day today. So I'll see some of you later on. See you. Peace.